Location: Yokohama, Japan. Project type: Smart Pedestrian and Traffic Sensor System. Project budget: approximately 2.4 billion yen, $20 million United States dollars. Incident year: 2016. Status: temporarily suspended and rescheduled. Vision: Yokohama's city government, in partnership with a major tech consortium, embarked on a forward-thinking, smart pedestrian safety project. The plan involved installing intelligent crosswalk sensors, real-time pedestrian trackers, and automated traffic light systems to reduce accidents and optimize urban mobility. The pilot area covered a busy waterfront district and was intended as a model for future smart cities across Japan. Enter Pokémon Go. Just as installation crews hit full stride in mid-2016, Pokémon Go launched globally and became a cultural phenomenon overnight. The problem? The project area was littered with Pokéstops and gyms, thanks to its scenic public parks, historic monuments, and open plazas. Within days, thousands of people began flooding the construction zone, phones in hand, oblivious to safety barriers, cones, and equipment. At one point, a crowd of over 500 players gathered near a construction barricade because a rare Pokémon appeared in the GPS system. The disruption productivity plummeted. Engineers were caught wandering off during shift hours to catch Pokémon. Security staff were overwhelmed trying to keep players off the scaffolding and away from sensitive equipment. Delivery trucks couldn't get through. One subcontractor even had to halt concrete pouring when a group of teenagers refused to move from the work zone. Adding to the chaos, some of the workers themselves were caught playing, including key personnel from the subcontractor team. Though initially laughed off, the issue snowballed when 2 minor on-site injuries occurred due to inattentiveness, and both were related to people checking their phones while walking. Government response: city officials tried requesting Niantic, the game's developer, to remove the Pokéstops in the area. But changes took time. The mayor's office issued public notices and even emergency signage warning citizens not to enter the site, but the augmented reality world was more compelling than reality itself. Faced with security risks, safety violations, and mounting public liability, the city issued a temporary suspension of the entire pilot program until geo-blocking was implemented. Recovery and adjustment: eventually, Niantic removed several Pokéstops from critical project zones, and fencing was reinforced with motion-detecting alarms. A new mobile policy was enforced for all workers, phones off during work hours. The project resumed after a 3-month delay and was completed later than planned. Project management insight: this case illustrates the power of non-traditional, emerging risks, things not found on any traditional project risk matrix. No one anticipated that a mobile game would disrupt labor discipline, logistics flow, and public safety. But in a world increasingly influenced by virtual experiences, digital behavior has physical consequences. Takeaway: project leaders must adapt to new dimensions of risk, including viral tech trends, public behaviors, and virtual distractions. The Pokémon Go case proves that real-world infrastructure can collapse under virtual world invasions if proactive foresight isn't built into planning.